Hi guys, my name is Prince Vijay Pratap and this is the project that I have been working on. It is a complete database driven e-commerce web application. Each and every content used in this application is a dynamic or coming out of the database. I will show you some of the important modules that I have made, but first let me tell you the technology that I have used. For front end, I have used HTML, CSS, jQuery, JSON and Ajax, and for backend I have used servlets, JSP and MySQL. So basically for front end I have used this awesome framework called 960.js, which made my work a lot easier. And the development tools that I have used is NetBeans. I have written all my code in the NetBeans, and the server that I have used is Tomcat 7.0. So that's it. Let's start with the project. The first module that I have worked is this login and registration system. So let's type the username. So you see, the moment that I have shifted the focus into the second box, it instantly prompts me that this username is not available. So basically an Ajax request is made to the server, which checks into the database that whether this username is already available or not. So if this username is already taken, another user won't be able to use this username during the registration process. So same goes for this email ID. So this Prince Vijay Pratap is also not available, so let's try another one. So this Prince1233 is available, and the email ID princepvp@gmail.com is available. So let's register into this web application. So the moment I have registered into this web application, you have seen some of the changes in the top bar. The first one is this, that the username will be displayed on this top bar, and the second one, the cart session is provided to the user. So the second module that I want to show you is this product filter. So basically I have divided the products into these following categories on the left side. This module is implemented using Ajax, jQuery and JSON. It instantly gets you the products that you want from the database without any page reloading. You can see it like this. Without any page reloading, it will get me the products from the database. So basically when client sends a request to the server responds. I want to traditionally when client sends a request to the server responds with the whole new HTML page, which also contains lot of redundant data, for example this footer, this header. But with the help of JSON, we can send the only information which is required by the client in the raw form of data, and then manipulate it using jQuery and Ajax on the fly. This is a lot efficient than the previous one. Using JSON, I can further upgrade my application to provide RESTful API and web service to the third-party applications. So basically, what is happening here is, when I click this category movies, it sends a Ajax request to the server, and on the server side, this is the code for the server side, and on the server side I made a simple query which fetch me all the products based on that category, and then these products will be stored into the into the Java object, and using a simple Google JSON library, I have converted this Java. I have serialized this Java object into the JSON array. You can see it in here. We can see it in development tools. Under the network bar, when I click on the movies, an Ajax request is made which has this all the data in the JSON, in the form of JSON. Like these are the raw, this is the raw data which then I have manipulated using jQuery on the client side. So the another module is this carting system. The functionality of shopping cart is implemented using jQuery and Ajax. Okay, currently there are no products in your cart, so I have to add it. So like this, I have to add it using by clicking on the add to cart. The products, you can see that the product is instantly added into the cart, and this value is get instantly changed. Basically this is also an Ajax request which instantly add the product into the cart without any page reloading. So let's add some other products also. So this is the cart. The user can add or remove the products instantly without reloading the page. The cart logo on the left side, this cart logo on the left side will get incremented or decremented instantly when the user add or removed products from the cart. So let's try to remove a product from the cart. Yes, this is a confirmation message. Are you sure you want to delete this item? Yes, okay. So instantly this product is removed from the cart. Let's proceed to the next module. So when the user adds all the products into the cart he wants to buy, he will proceed to checkout, where he has to fill all the details of about his shipping address. Wait, I will add it. So when he is done filling all his details, he just has to click on the buy button to proceed to place his order. So his order has been placed. He can check the status of his order in the my orders options, and currently the status is pending, but the status will be updated from the admin end. Okay, so but the thing is, if user will come next time to book another order, let me show you. If he has to buy this order, then he will proceed to checkout. But the thing is, if he wants this product to a new shipping address, then he has to fill it again. But if he wants this product to his older address, then he just has to click this address, and this address will be get automatically filled, and then he just proceed to buy this order also. Let's move to the another module, which is my wish list. Currently this wish list is empty. Basically I have created a database. I have created a table of wish list where user can add the products into his wish list and will check it later. So like this, he added this product into the wish list. Again, the Ajax request is made instantly, and the product will get added into the wish list without any page reloading. This is showing some disable icon because this product is already into the database, is already into the wish list. So this is showing a disable icon. Basically this is telling the user that this product is already added into the wish list, so you don't have to add it again. So I can check my wish list here. This product is added to the wish list. I can also remove it. So moving on to the next module, which is a very simple module. The module is this counter person visited. Like any other counter, it will it will just not incremented by refreshing the page like this. I have just refreshed the page, but it will not get incremented. So basically what I'm doing in this module is I have stored this key into the browser of the user. Let me show you. Under the application and under the this is the key which I have stored into the session storage, and this shows the 804 value. When the user refresh the page, it again check into this session storage. If the key is already available in this session storage, it will not get incremented. But if I delete this key and then I will increment it this, yeah, then it will get incremented. Otherwise it will not be get incremented, no matter how many times you refresh the page. Okay, so this is a little bit smart counter, or I can say that. And now let's move to the another module, which is admin dashboard. Currently I am working on this module. I haven't completed it yet. Example, this is the admin login module. Basically it is a graphical user interface which makes the works of the admin a lot easier. I mean, admin doesn't have to go to the database manually and do all the various stuff. He just has to log into his admin panel and do the various stuff he wants to do. So this makes the works of an admin a lot easier. Currently I am working on this module, but when I complete it, I will make a video. I will definitely make a video on that also. So that's it. This is my project. Thank you for watching this.